For the past decade, we've watched artificial intelligence conquer challenge after challenge. It's mastered board games once thought unbeatable. It's decoded the mysteries of biology. It's written code, music, and art. At the center of all this progress stands Google's DeepMind, a digital giant powered by almost limitless computation. It started to feel inevitable that any problem, given enough data and processing power, would eventually yield to the machine. But on October 23, 2025, something unexpected happened. A single human mathematician solved a problem that DeepMind couldn't. No supercomputers, no billion-dollar lab, just pure insight. This is the story of the kissing problem and the spark of intuition that changed everything. 3 centuries ago, Isaac Newton and David Gregory asked a question that sounded almost childlike. How many spheres can you fit around one sphere so that all of them touch it? In 3 dimensions, the answer is 12. But the real challenge came when mathematicians tried to imagine the problem in higher dimensions, 4, 8, 24. And this isn't just abstract math. These patterns affect how we send data across the internet, how materials form at the atomic level, and even how we compress information. Each new dimension hides another rule of the universe, a hidden geometry waiting to be found. DeepMind tried to uncover that geometry using raw computing power. It simulated trillions of sphere arrangements, learning through trial and error, inching closer each time. It rewarded itself whenever it found a slightly tighter fit. But as the dimensions grew, so did the complexity. The problem became a maze, and the AI got lost in it. It could find good approximations, but not the perfect solution. It had the processing power, but not the perspective. Then came one human mind. Instead of outcomputing the machine, they outthought it. They used intuition, the ability to see patterns where others only see chaos. Rather than brute force, they used geometry, symmetry, and imagination. They saw the hidden structure that tied everything together. It wasn't a faster computer, it was a better idea. While DeepMind explored every single branch in the forest, the human climbed a mountain and saw the entire landscape at once. This moment wasn't about humans beating AI. It was about realizing that our intelligence is different. AI processes information. Humans perceive meaning. The future of discovery won't be man versus machine. It'll be the moment we learn to think together. The machine explores endless possibilities. The human recognizes the one that matters. DeepMind can analyze 1 trillion data points, but can it have a single, beautiful idea, the kind that changes how we see the world? For now, that spark of intuition remains uniquely and powerfully human.